intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to part 70 of the Arduino tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be working on the magnetic reed switch. Reed switch is also a type of electrical switch similar to the push buttons or the switches we use normally, but the main difference lies in the way we activate them. In case of push buttons, we have to apply the direct physical pressure to activate or deactivate. Whereas in the reed switches, there is no physical contact required, but it can be activated or deactivated using a magnetic field. Reed switch is made up of two ferromagnetic metal pieces placed inside a glass tube having vacuum. When the magnet is brought nearby, these metal pieces start moving either to close or open the circuit depending on the type of sensor. So we get normally open reed switch in which the magnet closes the contact, and other one normally closed reed switch in which the magnet opens the contact. These switches are used where contactless switching is required, like automotive, appliances, wearables, doors and window security systems. For this tutorial, you need an Arduino board, a reed switch. I'm using normally open type, a small magnet for activation, a LED bulb along with 1K resistor, breadboard and jumper wires for easy connection. Moving on to the connections, first I'll take the reed switch on the breadboard. Here, one terminal of the sensor goes to Arduino digital pin 2 and the other terminal goes to Arduino ground. For the LED, the negative terminal goes to Arduino ground, which I already have on the breadboard, and the positive terminal along with a 1K resistor goes to Arduino digital pin 3. That's all the connections. I'll also leave the circuit diagram link in the description for your reference. So we'll start with the programming part. Already we have this particular tutorial on using push button and controlling the LED. So here also the same code applies. So if you watched this previous tutorial, you can follow this one in an easier way. I'll also leave that link in the description box. In the declaration, we have reed switch pin connected on digital pin 2 and LED connected on digital pin 3. Inside the setup function, we'll make the LED as output using pin mode. And the sensor will be input. But in this particular circuit diagram, we have connected the sensor between the digital pin and the ground, which is active low configuration, where the pin gets 0 when it's activated. So by default, we have to pull up the pin. So I can use the software based pull up. Instead of input, just make input pull up. We also need to print the sensor values. So I'll initialize the serial communication. with baud rate 9600. Moving to the loop. So first we'll read the data we are getting from the sensor using digital read. So we have to read this read switch pin. The value we are getting to be stored to one more variable. So we get 0 or 1, so boolean should be okay. I'll make read switch data. I'll also print the same on serial monitor. I'll upload up to this and show the values. I'll open the serial monitor. So we can see here by default we are getting 1 because of pull up. If I take the magnet near to the sensor, it's changing to 0. So 1 and 0. So now we'll use this 1 and 0 to control the LED bulb, just using simple if-else statement. If the data is 0, means there is magnet nearby, I'll turn on the LED pin using digital write function. This will be high. In the else part, the LED pin will be low. So that's it, the code. I'll again upload this and show the results. So here by default LED is off. If I take the magnet nearby, the LED is turning on. It's working as expected. You can download this code using link in the description box. So that's all for this video. I hope you got the basics and the practical interfacing with Arduino as well. We'll use the same concept and try to make some projects in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.